Hey, Natalie with SYS here, and on this Tech Tip Tuesday video, we're going to go over how to organize your students as an observer. Let's check it out. It can be difficult to manage your observer account when you are observing a large number of students. Canvas displays all of your students' classes on the dashboard and calendar together, instead of making a new calendar view for each student. So sometimes it can be difficult to tell which class corresponds to which students. Luckily, there are some things you can do to manage a large number of students more efficiently. First, you can check who you're observing. To do so, click on Account on the top left, and then Observing. You will see this screen with a list of the students you are observing. To manage which courses show up on your dashboard, click on Courses on the left sidebar, and then All Courses. You will see a list of courses that you are enrolled in as an observer. Star the ones you want to appear on your dashboard. You can have up to 21 courses on your dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, you will see your course cards for each course. The courses you starred will appear here. If you haven't starred any courses, you will see the first 10 courses you're enrolled in. You can change the color of a course by clicking the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the course card and picking from the available colors. Changing the color of a course changes both its overlay color and the text color of the course name. We recommend color coding your courses so that one color corresponds with each student. You can also add a nickname for the course, and only you will see this. To do so, click on the 3 dots and add a nickname for each of the courses. You can move the course by switching to the Move tab and selecting which direction you want to move the course in. Courses can also be moved by clicking and dragging them to a new location. The colors and course nicknames you set on your dashboard will apply everywhere in your Canvas Observer account, including the calendar and the Canvas inbox. Setting nicknames for your courses will be extremely helpful for using the Canvas inbox feature. We recommend setting a nickname that tells you which student is in the course and what the course is. And that's all there is to it. All right, I hope those organizing tips and tricks were very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we'll catch you next week on an all-new Tech Tip Tuesday. Have a good one.